Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Battlefield 6 if it's unable to connect to a servers. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're running the game from Steam, just go ahead and open up Steam, go to your library, click on the game, right click and just click on properties. And here you have the option to click on installed files and just click on it, and once done, on the right side you'll have the verified integrity of game files. Just click on it and wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, launch the game and check if it helps. Now if that still will work, go ahead over to your start menu right here, right click on it. Now go ahead and click on settings. In here, go to network and internet settings, click on Wi-Fi, or if you're using Ethernet just like what I'm currently using right here, click on Ethernet. Okay, in here scroll all the way down and you will find DNS server assignment. Okay, now I want to click on edit. Make sure that you enable this one and it is set to manual. Okay, then once done, copy my settings. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4. And once that's done, hit on save. Then go ahead and launch the game again and check if it helps. Now if it launches and then you feel like it's a bit laggy, well, you're gonna want to use the Cloudflare's DNS right here. Change this one to 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1. Okay, once that's done, just hit on save, close this one, and everything should work perfectly fine now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.